Hi friends, please welcome back to again module number 3 partial differential equation. So next concept is solution of non-homogeneous partial differential equation by direct integration. So in integration we know that when you integrate with respect to x or with respect to y, we usually adding arbitrary constant as c, but here in place of arbitrary constant we have to using arbitrary function here. For example, when you differentiate with respect to x, add arbitrary constant as f of y, and when you integrate with respect to y, add arbitrary constant as x here, f of x or g of x here. For example, dou u by dou x equal to x square. So here we integrating u function with respect to x, then we will adding arbitrary constant as f of y here. So integration of x square become x cube by 3 and plus f of y. So f of y is arbitrary constant here. Now examples. Solve the PD dou square z by dou x into dou y is equal to sin x into sin y, given dou z by dou y equal to minus 2 sin y when x equal to 0 and z equal to 0 when y is an odd multiple of y, pi by 2, or when z equal to 0 our y function is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So if you substitute n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. so which gives the odd multiple of pi by 2. Now the solution. So given PDE, dou square z by dou x dou y can be denoted as dou by dou x of dou z by dou y. So it means that dou square z by dou x dou y, so which is equal to sin x and sin y here. So here first we always integrating with respect to x here, because dou by dou x is outside the bracket here. So therefore we integrating with respect to x, and while integrating with respect to x we treating y term as temporarily constant here. So after integrating with respect to x, this dou by dou x cancelled out, so remaining term is dou z by dou y, so which is equal to sin y. So it integrating sin x only, so integration of sin x dx plus, so here will return f of y, because we integrating with respect to x, therefore we considering f of y as arbitrary constant here, and integration of sin x is minus cos x, that is sin y into cos x plus f of y. Say equation number 1. Then integrate given equation with respect to, we integrating equation number 1 again with respect to y here and treating x as constant. Now integration of dou z by dou y is z here, so dou by dou y cancelled out, remaining term is z, and right hand side we treating x as constant, so integrating sin y plus again integration of f of y dy. So here we integrating with respect to y means, so once again add arbitrary constant as g of x here. So integration of sin y is minus cos y, so minus cos x minus cos y become plus cos x and cos y, and integration of small f of y dy is denoted as capital F of y. So capital F of y is nothing but integration of small f of y dy plus g of x here. So g of x denote will integrating with respect to y, and f of y denotes, so integrating with respect to x. Say this one as equation number 2. So now we'll using the given condition here. So first one, dou z by dou y equal to minus 2 sin y when x is equal to 0. So using these two conditions in equation number 1. So equation 1 become our dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 sin y is equal to minus sin y, and if you substitute x equal to 0, so cos 0 is 1. So minus sin y plus f of y here, or shift the minus sin y into left hand side, it become plus sin y, and minus 2 sin y become minus sin y. And we'll again substituting small f of y value in this relation, capital F of y relation. So f of y is integration of f of y dy, and our f of y is minus sin y dy, and integration of sin y dy become minus cos y, so minus into minus plus here, plus cos y. So substitute capital F of y equal to cos y in equation number 2. So equation 2 become cos x cos y plus capital F of y is cos y plus g of x here, and here cos y is common, so cos x plus 1 g of x here. Now we using the second condition, when z equal to 0, y is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 in this equation. So z value is 0, 0 equal to cos x plus 1, cos of y value is 2n plus 1 pi by 2 g of x, and cos 2n plus 1 pi by 2 is equal to 0. If you substitute n equal to 0, so cos of pi by 2 or cos 90 is 0. If we substitute n equal to 1, so 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So cos 3 times of 90 is 0. Next one, n equal to 2, so 4 plus 1 5. So cos 5 times 90 is 0. Cos 6 times 90 is 0. So when you substitute n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., our cos of 2n plus 1 pi by 2 value become 0. So using this value in previous step here, that is in here, substitute 0, so this whole term is 0, so which use the g of x is equal to 0. So now we substituting g of x equal to 0 in this equation, so which gives z is equal to cos x plus 1 plus 0. So if you take cos y as 0, cos x plus 1 into cos y be the required solution. Second example, dou cube z by dou x square dou y plus 18xy square sine of 2x minus y is equal to 0. So solution, given PD can be denoted as, so dou cube z by dou x square is denoted as dou by dou x of dou by dou x of dou z by dou x. So dou into dou become dou cube, dou x into dou x is dou x square into dou y plus 18xy square plus sine of 2x minus y is equal to 0. So first one will integrating with respect to x and eliminating this dou by dou x, and when we integrating with respect to x, we will adding arbitrary constant as f of y. So after integrating x, remaining term is dou by dou x of dou z by dou y plus integration of x become x square by 2, so 2 1s are 2 9s are 18 y square then integration of sine is minus cos, and 2x become 2, that is 2x minus y divided by 2, and here we'll adding the arbitrary constant as f of y because we'll integrating with respect to x. So which use the first integration, then again integrate with respect to x, and once again eliminate this dou by dou x here. So remaining term is dou z by dou y. Integration of x square become x cube by 3. So 3 and 9 cancelled out. Then integration of cos become sine 2x minus y, and minus y and 2x become again 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. And integration of f of y dx is, so f of y is constant, integration of dx become x here. So x into f of y, and once again we'll adding g of y here because we'll integrate it 2 times with respect to x. Therefore one time is f of y, second time is g of y. Then integrate this function with respect to y and eliminate this dou by dou y. So remaining term is z plus x cube, y square become y cube by 3, and integration of sine is minus cos, integration of sine is plus cos 2x minus y, and definition of y is minus 1. So minus into minus plus here. Then x into integration of f of y into dy plus integration of g of y dy, plus we'll adding arbitrary constant h of x here because here we'll integrating with respect to y, means we'll add arbitrary constant as h of x here. Then we'll get the z plus x cube y cube cos 2x minus y divided by 4 x into integration of f of y dy is denoted as capital F of y, and g of y dy is denoted as capital G of y plus small h of x equal to 0. So which use the required solution. Next one, dou cube z by dou x square dou y cos of 2x plus 3y. So here also write dou cube z by dou x square dou y as dou by dou x of dou by dou x of dou z by dou y. So integrate with respect to x and eliminate dou by dou x. So remaining term is dou by dou x of dou z by dou y. Integration of cos with respect to x is sin 2x plus 3y, and 2x become 2, or definition of 2x is 2. So while integrating x, add arbitrary constant as f of y. Then again integrate with respect to x. So which use dou z by dou y. So dou by dou x cancelled out. So integration of sin is minus cos 2x plus 3y, and again definition of 2x is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. And integration of f of y dx is, so integration of dx is x f of y, and we are adding one more arbitrary constant g of y because we integrated with respect to x here. And lastly integrate with respect to y. So dou z by dou y becomes z. Integration of cos is minus sin 2x plus 3y, and definition of 3y is 3. So 4 into 3, 12, plus x into integration of f of y with respect to y is dy, and integration of g of y dy, plus we'll writing the arbitrary constant h of x here because with respect to y here. Then denote f of y dy as capital F of y, g of y dy as capital G of y, and keep it h of x as it is. So which is the solution. Next example, solve dou square z by dou x dou y equal to x divided by y subject to the conditions dou z by dou x is equal to log x to the base e when y equal to 1 and z equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. So first one, we will rewriting dou square z by dou x dou y as dou square z by dou y into dou x is equal to x divided by y. This is because our given condition is dou z by dou y equal to log x. So therefore we will expressing dou square z by dou x dou y as dou y into dou x here. Suppose if it is dou z by dou y, then you will use the direct formula dou square z by dou x and dou x into dou y, keep as it is without changing here. So only for dou z by dou x we will expressing in this formula, and express dou square z by dou y dou x as dou by dou y of dou z by dou x equal to x divided by y. So dou by dou y means it denotes first integrate with respect to y treating x as constant and add arbitrary constant as f of x here, because we integrating with respect to y first here. So this dou by dou y cancelled out, dou z by dou x equal to x into integration of 1 by y is log y and arbitrary constant as f of x here, and dou z by dou x denotes now integrate 1 with respect to x and add g of y as arbitrary constant here. So integration of 1 with respect to x is x square by 2 log y, and integration of f of x dx is capital F of x plus g of y, because we are integrating with respect to x, so therefore add arbitrary constant as g of y. Now use the given data. We are using dou z by dou x equal to log x and y equal to 1 in equation number 1. So equation 1 become dou z by dou x is log x and y value is 1. So and log 1 is 0. So first term is 0 plus f of x here. Now use this f of x to calculate capital F of x here. So capital F of x denotes f of x equal to integration of small f of x dx, and small f of x is log x into 1 dx. So here we will return dx as 1 dx. So log x into dx means we will apply integration by parts here. So apply integration of u here as u integration of v minus double integration of v into u dash formula. So keep x as it is. Integration of log x is keep log x, u denotes log x, v denotes 1 dx. So keep it log x as it is. Integration of dx is x minus integration of again dx is x, and differentiation of log x is 1 divided by x into dx. So x and x cancelled out. Integration of 1 dx is x here. So which use the capital F of x as x log x minus x. Then use this f of x in equation number 2. So equation 2 become z square x square divided by 2 log y, and f of x is x log x minus x plus g of y. Now we using the second condition, z equal to 0 and x equal to 1 in this equation. So z value as 0, x is 1. So 1 by 2 log y minus z is 0, x is 1 means log 1 is 0, complete term is 0, minus 1 g of y. So which use the g of y value as 1 minus 1 by 2 log y or 1 minus log of square root of y. So use this g of y value in again this equation. So z equal to x square by 2 log y plus x log x minus x, and g of y is 1 minus log of square root of y. So which gives the required solution. So these are the few examples on solution of non-homogeneous PDE by direct integration. So you'll remember it, when we integrating with respect to x, add arbitrary constant as y. When we integrating with respect to y, add arbitrary constant as x, and use the given condition. If they will not give the condition, then only we will integrate and find out the solutions.